An ISA stocks and shares account, often called an investment ISA, is a tax-efficient way for UK residents to invest in stocks, funds, and other assets. It's part of the UK's Individual Savings Account (ISA) system, allowing you to grow your investments free from income tax and capital gains tax. This makes it a popular choice for long-term wealth building. Here's how it works. Each tax year, you can invest up to a certain amount in an ISA, currently £20,000 as of 2024. This allowance can be split across different types of ISAs, including cash ISAs, but any amount you allocate to a stocks and shares ISA is protected from taxes. For example, if your investments grow or earn dividends, you won't pay capital gains tax or dividend tax on the profits. A stocks and shares ISA allows you to invest in a wide range of assets, including individual stocks, shares of companies like Apple, BP, or Unilever, collections of stocks or bonds managed by professionals like index funds or mutual funds, bonds, government or corporate bonds, ETFs, exchange-traded funds that trade like stocks on the stock market. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose you open a stocks and shares ISA and invest £10,000 in a mix of stocks and funds. Over the next year, your investments grow by 10%, increasing to £11,000. If this growth happened outside of an ISA, you might owe capital gains tax on the £1,000 profit. But inside the ISA, you pay no tax on these gains. One of the major benefits of a stocks and shares ISA is its flexibility. You can choose to invest in a variety of assets based on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Whether you prefer safe bonds, high-growth stocks, or a mix, an ISA lets you tailor your portfolio. Many providers also offer tools and ready-made portfolios to make investing easier for beginners. Another advantage is the ability to reinvest dividends. If the companies or funds in your ISA pay dividends, you can reinvest those payouts to grow your portfolio faster without worrying about dividend taxes. However, investing in a stocks and shares ISA comes with risks. Unlike a cash ISA, where your savings are protected, the value of investments can go up or down depending on market conditions. This means you could lose money in the short term. That's why stocks and shares ISAs are generally recommended for long-term goals, such as saving for retirement or a future milestone. For example, if you invest £5,000 in a stocks and shares ISA for 10 years and the market averages an annual return of 7%, your investment could grow to over £10,000 thanks to compounding returns. But during those 10 years, there could be periods of volatility where the value temporarily drops. Stocks and shares ISAs are suitable for a wide range of investors, from beginners to seasoned investors. For those new to investing, robo-advisors and managed portfolios can simplify the process. For experienced investors, the tax advantages make ISAs a great place to hold assets with high growth potential.